Yo, what's going on, guys? It is professionally amateur in this Malachaka. I am here at Ski Round Top, and it is the first snow of the season. They're blowing snow like I've never seen before, and I'm getting super excited because I don't know about you guys, but I am a snowboarder and a skier at heart, and I was born into it. My parents started me skiing when I was like basically as soon as I could walk. It was that and swimming, but anyways, I'm gonna walk around Round Top and I'm gonna show you what fake snow looks like because I live in eastern USA and we don't get that much snow out here as you would think, so we have to create a lot of it on our own. We also don't have the biggest mountains in the world, so I'm gonna walk around and kind of show you what we're dealing with. So it doesn't look like much, but this is kind of what we have to deal with every year. Luckily, we have one of the best terrain parks because they literally have converted this entire hill to just rails and jumps. And I think this year they're putting in another set of jumping rails off to the left of this hill, so you don't have to travel too far to get all of these trips and stuff in. It may be pretty loud. I mean, they're blowing snow, and if you've ever heard those before, they are blasting. And these aren't the newer ones, so the newer ones aren't blasting. They have a lot more of the older ones that they can just, like this, they can just move around and put them wherever. But, yeah, look at that. Look how deep that is. Yeah, I'm super excited for the ski season. I'm a snowboarder now. I used to be a skier when I was younger, so I don't have a bias towards either. I still have a pair of skis. I just bought one 2 years ago, and I still love it. Don't do it as much because I'd rather go out and snowboard, but yeah, it's tons of fun. If you're in college or schooling right now, they always have discount tickets wherever you go, not just here, but usually at any resort they have discounts for season passes, just one-night passes and stuff, and sometimes schools go on school trips. So if you're interested in going skiing or something, you should probably do it while you're in schooling because you'll probably get some discounts. Just wanted to show you a little bit of my resort. So I'm going to show you a little bit more of my resort. I thought I was going into the store to get some boots, but they don't open until the ski season actually starts. This hill here is called Minuteman. It is one of the better lifts here. Yeah, first person to sit down on the mountain is a guy staring at me over there in his truck. Hopefully he doesn't care too much that I'm on here and come over and yell at me. I think he's gonna come over and yell at me actually, but anyways, I just wanted to go on the ski lift before anybody else did this year. Still super stoked for it, super excited. If you ski or snowboard, comment in the comments below, ski or snowboarder. I want to see which there's more of out there, or which more watch my videos and stuff. I don't know, but this is what it's looking like up here. Here's another example of one of those snow blowers. Not the most high quality ones, but yeah, we got all kinds of people coming up here today just to see the first day of them blowing snow, just because it started getting way colder, especially with the wind chill. But it's probably, sadly my phone died as I was talking to you guys out there, probably because it was so cold and a mixture of the iPhone battery just sucking in the cold and while making videos, it just drains it. Like 30s out here, but because of the wind chill and the fact that they're blowing snow on the mountain, it feels like it's in the 20s, lower mid 20s. I have no idea. Maybe I should look that up here soon. But anyways, I was getting cut off. I just wanted to thank anybody that is actually watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. To my subscribers, I love you guys. You know I have great feelings for you. Sexual feelings. Just kidding. No, they